how to download and install Suno AI Music Creator app. So if you want to download and install Suno AI Music Creator app, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Play Store. After opening your Play Store, go with search. Under search here, you need to search for Suno AI. After searching for it, now you just need simply go with the application, which is this one, and tap on install. Once you tap on install, then it will start the installing process. It might take a few seconds or a few minutes to download depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection. And after that, you can go with open, and after tapping on open, you'll be able to make your music wherever you are. You can turn ideas into music, you can explore and get inspired, you can curate your songs, you can follow a new artist. So that's it. That's how you can download and install the application. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.